What's going on? It's Andy with Midmo Dents back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about ceramic coating wheels. So should you ceramic coat your wheels? Should you do it yourself? And if you do decide to do it yourself, we're going to show you how to do it. Thank you for everybody that liked and subscribed on the last one. If you're interested in seeing more videos about detailing your vehicle or dent removal, window tint, anything like that, and you're interested in learning more, make sure you do that. Check it out. Let me know what you think. So just like the paint on your car, painted wheels should be protected as well. Ceramic coating, in my opinion, is going to be the best, especially if it's a professional grade done by a professional installer. But if you want to do it yourself, here's how you're going to do it. First, you're going to need some microfiber towels. I would buy them in a full pack. Next, you're going to need some rubber gloves and a couple of applicators. That's a microfiber block. That's a micro suede applicator. Either one of them will work. Then you're going to need some panel prep. These are the three that we've used in the past. They all work good. Those two you can buy online. The other one you can get from your local O'Reilly's. That's more what a body shop would use. So you're going to go through and you're going to spray down the wheels with the panel prep to remove any waxes, greases, or oils. And you use one of your microfiber towels to go ahead and wipe that all down and pick up those oils. So you go ahead and prep all four wheels at first, so that way it gives it a chance to dry. That way you don't have any of that panel prep on there when you go to coat them. Once again, if you're deciding to ceramic coat yourself, do your research on the coating that you're going to use. Any coating that you see people having trouble removing, that's going to be an indicator that that is a harder ceramic coat. So that's going to get you closer to a professional grade, even though you'll never be able to get a professional grade without being certified, because they can mess stuff up if you don't know what you're doing. But again, the harder the ceramic coat, the longer it's going to last. So do your research, follow the instructions. And once you have your ceramic coat, you're going to put it on your applicator. Don't over soak the applicator. And you're going to go through and start ceramic coating the wheels. I recommend doing the faces first. Every ceramic coating is going to be different, so some will cure faster than others. So make sure you don't ceramic coat too much at once before you start trying to level it. Again, follow the instructions. If you're not sure, start with half the wheel first, then do the other half of the face after that. Most of them are going to say wait a couple minutes until they start to flash. Some of them are going to kind of look oily or hazy whenever they do that. And then you're going to be ready to start wiping the excess off there. We're going to use 3 towels to remove that. I recommend that you do the same. Use the first towel as your first wipe every time. Second one's going to pick up a little bit of the excess, and the third one's going to help you from accidentally leaving too much on there. Kind of an insurance wipe is what I would call it. So once he gets all the cracks and crevices coated on this one, ours takes about 5 minutes to cure, then we'll start wiping. Always pay extra attention to the small areas that you can't see, because those are usually going to be the ones that you'll find out that you accidentally didn't wipe well enough. So he's going to go through and hit the inconspicuous areas first, or the troublesome areas, and then we'll go to the easy parts on the outside that we can obviously see. So he's going to do the whole wheel with his first towel, and then he'll go through and use the second and the third towel after that. When you're using your towels, hopefully you bought some that are pretty soft. You're just going to wipe with medium pressure. You're not trying to aggressively scrub this thing. Again, if you do, that's going to be a way that you could potentially micro scratch the wheel. Shouldn't take a ton of effort to remove the excess ceramic coating unless you waited too long. With the coating that we use, it does say that you can layer it, and it is beneficial to layer it, as it will look deeper and last longer. So whatever yours says, ours tells us to wait about an hour in between coats, and then we can put up to 4 coats on ours. After we get done with the faces, we're going to flip over and do the barrels of the wheels. It's going to be the same process with those, obviously a lot easier since it's pretty well a flat surface. So he'll go through and put coats on it, wait the same amount of time, and then wipe it off. After we get both sides of the wheels ceramic coated, most of them are going to tell you that they need to wait a week or 2 before they'd use chemicals on it, so make sure you tell the tire shop that. These are all finished. We'll let them dry overnight, and then we'll box them up and give them back to the customer. All right, we got those done. Took us about an hour and a half to do all 4 wheels. If you got any questions at all about ceramic coating wheels or a vehicle in general, let me know down in the comments. Thanks again for watching as always. We'll see you on the next one.